How to enable or disable graphical acceleration in Opera GX. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable or disable graphical acceleration in your Opera browser. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your Opera GX. I'm using the browser version. So after you've opened this up, what you'll need to do is tap on this O icon on the top left. After you tap on it, you will get these settings here. Head over to settings. After you tap on settings, you can scroll down, you can explore this. Now you can head over to features, and under features, if you scroll down, you should find an option that says graphical acceleration. Now scroll down till you find that option. Now right here under system, you will find use graphical acceleration when available. Now what you'll need to do is you will simply need to toggle this button off. And after you toggle this button off, simply tap on relaunch. After you tap on relaunch, your Opera GX will close down and then open up again and stop using your graphics acceleration. And that is how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.